Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to register for Inec Adhoc staff. As you know, the election for Ondo State and Edo State are coming up very soon, and Inec will be needing some Adhoc staff. Adhoc in the sense that they are just borrowing you for a while and they pay you. So there's a registration for it, and if you've not registered before, I'm going to walk you through that. And if you are already a registered person, or maybe probably you've worked for Inec Adhoc staff before, all you need to do is use your email and password and log in onto their website. All these things I will show you when I get to my laptop. Alright, this is officially digital. Please be sure to drop a subscribe if you like content like this, and this will mean a lot. So let's get right into the PC, and I'm going to walk you through what you need to know. Alright guys, so we are now on the system. So the first thing we want to do is to go to their website. So I'll be dropping the link in the description box. So if you need the link, you can just go there, copy and paste it, or just tap on it to get here. Now here we are on their website. As you can see, it is boldly written here that the Adhoc staff engagement for 2024 Edo State Edo and Edo State Governorship election is ongoing, and the closing date for the application is August 19, 2024. So as at this video, if you've not yet registered, you can still do that. Alright, so now what should you have before you register is clearly written here on the site. Let me just read it out for you real quick. A functional email address, that means your Gmail, your Yahoo Mail, or whichever mail you want to use. Then a functioning mobile number, your phone number, your account number. Then a recent white background passport photograph. White background, please do not use red. White background. You can get to do all of this within your phone. Yes, you can create a passport with your phone. You can put in the white background. If you want me to help you to let you know how you can do it, you can let me know in the comment section. If you feel that you want me to give you a walkthrough of how you can do that, you can let me know that in the comment section. So with your phone, you can create a passport. You can put any background you want. You can snap anywhere you like and all. Then you can even compress it to not be larger than 5 MB. Then the next one is contact address of the two referees. That means your referees, as you all know, is the normal thing. Your referee is not your father, not your mother, not anyone related to you. It's just your reference people they can meet in case there's any issue. It might be your professor in school, it might be your teacher, something like that. The next one is your student ID card or staff ID. If you're a working class person, you will need that. Then for the graduates, the NYSC call-up number. Alright, call-up number for former core member, not earlier than 2018. As you can see, so it's clearly written there. If you know that you've gone for NYSC before 2018, then you are not eligible. Then if you are a current core member, then you'll be needing your call-up too. Alright, then second to last is a copy of the highest qualification in PDF format. Maybe you're a degree holder, you're a master's degree, you're a professor and whatnot, anything you are. So your highest degree is what you will upload. Then the final one is a copy of means of identification in JPEG format. That is very simple too. Just take your voter's card or your NIN slip, use your phone, snap it and compress it. Alright, so it's so simple. So here's how to apply. These are the walkthrough, as you can see. So the first one is review the requirements for the available positions. Alright, there are different positions, alright, that you can apply for. Alright, more on that later in this video. Then you just click on register, you create password. Alright, you can just visit the site and you understand what I'm saying. You see it all written there. Alright, so what we will do now is we want to start doing the registration. Of course I've done mine, but then for the sake of those that have not done theirs, so here is the walkthrough. So for example, I'm a new applicant. Once you click that link in the bio, you come right here. Alright, you click here, then you wait for it to load. So it's going to load up, and it's more like creating a new profile or something. So alright, the first thing you need to do is you need to fill up these boxes. Alright, you have the supervisory presiding officer, the registration area technical support, the registration area center manager, presiding officer, assistant presiding officer. So all these, they have their different requirements. So we don't just want to select anyone, so we want to understand each of what these things means: the supervisory presiding officer, registration area technical staff support, and the rest of this available position. So what we're going to do is we'll check this eligibility page here to see what position we are eligible for. So wait for it to load up. Then alright, so the supervisory presiding officer, SPO, the requirement is he must be a public civil servant on grade level 10 to 14, or registration area officer / Inec staff, not engaged in other duties. So if you want to register for a supervisory presiding officer, he must be a working class person, he must be working with the government, and he must be in grade level 10 or above. Alright, so the other one is registration area center, RAC. So the requirement is you must be a head of school or staff. Alright, maybe you are a principal, you are a headmistress, headmaster, and the like, and you must be in grade level 7 and above. So it's clearly written there. In presiding officer, this is the ones people really put a lot of application into. So requirements are quite simple. It's either you are a serving corps member, a current one, then you are a student with a knowledge of IT, right? Probably maybe a computer science student, or you just know much about systems and computers and all. Then is either you are a permanent staff for an MDA with an OND qualification, or Inec permanent staff on grade level 7 or 8. Then a former corps member not later than 2021. Alright, so if you know you served before 2021, you are not really eligible for this presiding officer position. Then the final one is registration area technical support. Alright, the applicant must have an IT background. Alright, you must have this knowledge about IT and stuffs. Alright, you must be able to operate your computer easy, and you must be an Inec ICT staff. So these are the eligibility for each position, so you can check that also. So personally, if I want to register, I'm just going to put I'm going to put presiding officer because I'm a former corps member. Alright, so as you can see, that's already preloaded it for me. That is nice. So I'm going to use my email here right now. Let me use this email here. Alright, so everything is here. So what you want to do is you check the verification code. You type on this you type this text here, you type it into the box. So that's what we are going to do real quick. Gala2. right? So click submit, then wait for it to load. So it's going to confirm the information we've supplied, so we are going to wait for it. Alright, so the next step is an email will be sent to your email, the one you dropped. Right, so what you need to do now is you will go to your phone, then you check for the email real quick. Alright, so if you check your email, you will see that they've sent you both your username and your password, the one you will use to log in to continue your registration. And also there is a link there that is sent to you. It is from that link that you will get to this page. Alright, so you click that link and you get here, and you will input the email and the password, and input your email and the password they will be given to you. You will input it inside of here. So mine is, let me do this real quick. So I'm gonna put my password and let's get this job started. This password is case sensitive, so you might want to check where there is uppercase letters and where there is lowercase letters. Alright, so I'm just going to type my password real quick so we can continue with this registration without further ado. So I'm done typing, so let me just log in now. Let's see. So I'm going to wait for it to load because where I am I don't really have good network. Alright, so I've been able to log in. So what next we do is to input a new password, right? The one that you quickly remember. So I'm just going to type my own password, the one I'll quickly remember real quick. So let's do that. Alright, so I'm going to save and continue so I can continue this registration. Right, so it's just going to load up for me, and we wait for it. Alright, so here is our dashboard. So what you want to do now is to fill in this form, and it states on the page that you should enter your surname / last name, first name, mobile phone number, and date of your birth as associated with your BVN. So if your BVN name is different from the name you are inputting there, you might have an issue. So you must be sure to input the name on your BVN in the correct order on this page. So you put your name. I'm just going to put some dummy name. Alright, first name you put it here. Your last name, your surname / last name, your first name, and your other names. Then your gender, you select which, male or female, anyone. Then your marital status, if you are single, you put single. If you are married, you put married. Here you put your phone number. Then designation. Here, just if you are, because I already chose former NYSA from 2021, so this option is not clickable for me. I can't change it. So the designation is just, let me just say former core member. Alright, then I'll put in my call up number here for the core member. Then the date of birth, you do that too, very simple. Pass out date, you input it. Then highest qualification, pick one of the options here. Then you can you upload your certificate or your statement of result. Alright, so it should not be more than 5 MB. I said it earlier that if you want me to walk you through how to do this, because a lot of people have issues with this. Most of the time they get rejected because the file they upload is too large. Alright, and it's clearly stated here that it should not be more than 5 MB. So there is an app we use to resize these pictures without losing too much details in what you want to upload. Alright, so if you want me to make a separate video on that, I will do that for you. You can do it both on Windows, that's your PC, or on your phone. It's very simple. Alright, you upload that, then your identification category, voters card, international passport, blah blah blah, put it, then you upload that too. Alright, of course you snap and send it and upload. Put your phone number here, then your contact information, state of residence, local government of residence, registration ward area, depending on your LGA, the one you pick. Let's just pick, okay, there's Ondo and Edo there. Let's just say Ondo, then you go to LGA, pick any of the LGAs. So you pick anyone you want. Alright, nearest landmark, select anyone that is closer to you, then your address you put it here, permanent home address you put it here. Alright, so it's quite simple, something you can walk through. Right, state of origin you put it to, your bank details, account number, account name, and your BVN. It's that simple. You input everything, and once you are done, then you will be able to cross-check everything, and you get to print your acknowledgement slip. Alright, so once you are done printing that, it is that acknowledgement slip that you take along with you after they shortlist you, probably to the training ground, because they'll be asking for it. So you print that one out from the printer. Alright, let me show you what the acknowledgement slip look like real quick. So let me just acknowledgement slip. Let's just search for it on Bing. Maybe I can show you what it looks like. So go to the images section, then hopefully we find something, because I don't want to register. Alright, so we have a perfect example here. This is what the slip looks like. Alright, so I'm just going to zoom in real quick so you can see. Alright, so as you can see, it will contain your passport, your signature of applicant, and all. So this is what you take along with you whenever you are going for your training. And please do not forget, do not neglect this information. The closing date for this registration is August 19, 2024. So before then, make sure you register. Alright, so that's just it for the video. I hope you've enjoyed every bit of it, and if you've not subscribed, please do so, because this will mean a lot to me. Alright, and also if you're a new person just viewing this channel for the first time, what we do here is we make life easy for everybody. Alright, so I get to do some things that will make people's life easier. That's what I do here on the channel. I see a problem, I solve it, I make a video about it, I post it here for you, so that you can get to do your own as easy as possible. So that is it for the video. I hope you liked it. Please remember to drop a comment down below and let me know what you think about the video, and if there's any issue, you can also use the comment section to let me know how I can be of help. Also be sure to like this video and share this video so that other people can benefit. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.